Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the fantastic 2022 model Peugeot 2008 PureTech Active Premium Plus that does come complemented in the modernised Nimbus Grey exterior, really contrasting well with those advanced features. It does come in exceptional condition with your 1.2 petrol engine, making it the ideal spacious upgrade for those families or individuals wanting some extra space. Equipped with your parking sensors for enhanced parking, you do also have LED daytime running headlights, 16-inch L-board alloys, and for added protection, your wing mirrors do come power folding. Alongside added style with your black roof rails, you do also have a spacious boot area to accommodate all your travel needs and day-to-day items. Moving inside, you will find a full cloth trim with your fitted ISOFIX points and a contrasting sporty orange stitching. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience, with access to your central touch display screen, providing plenty of entertainment all round. Just opposite, you do have your two front cloth seats, once again very comfortable for both travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, alongside your cruise control and speed limiter paddle just behind to assist out on the open road. You do also have your controls to navigate around your cockpit screen and display all your vital driving data, and of course your cruise control as well. Moving across, you will find your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your vital driving apps and preferred audio, or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained on any long motorway journey. Of course, you do have your iPod and USB connection as well. You will find your on-screen driving functions and vehicle information, alongside your parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse. You will also find your on-screen display of your climate control for a tailored temperature, followed just below by your complementing piano black gloss keys containing various driving functions. You do also have a handy charging pocket and USB connection. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.